Hello everyone. Today I bring you a 3D case display about the linkage between cigars and bars. The overall color of the bar is mainly dark gray, with gold and blue limelight strips, which adds some gorgeous feeling while creating a light luxury store style. And the golden lighting and wood grain bar enriches the level of the store. The bar counter uses blue glass, light strips, and a large light box, which emphasizes the eye-catching effect through the brightness and prominent blue, and makes people pay attention to this side when they enter the store. The cigar shop side is completely different. The whole is a black and white color scheme with a relatively high contrast, more conspicuous, and at the same time with gold as embellishments. The overall bright style is diametrically opposed to that of the bar. The combination of marble and metal shelves is also in line with the style of light luxury. The combination of wood grain and spotlights on the shelf display also improves the texture of the product a lot. If you are interested in our videos, welcome to subscribe to our channel. We will bring more design display and sharing.